The LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 wireless. So the iPhone 11 does not have a practical wireless. It is $999 for the new president and current president as well. Yeah, see what I hope. This is running right here. Obviously, it's other than space area. That's some of the colors they have listed here. The storage option might be available. All storage options are iPhone 11 Pro, but it's not listed here. So you have to set the iPhone 11 Pro right there. You have the mouse, blank keys and electric sound switch on the left and the right button on the right side of the phone. This left side is back up the iPhone 11 Pro. You have some three cameras, ultra wide, and a telephoto camera in the back, camera glass, and Apple logo in the back. And this front phone. Like I said, bevel space right here. It says shoot amazing video and photos with the ultra wide and telephoto cameras. Capture your best level photos with the night mode. Watch HDR movies and shows. Super button X to this phone, the brightest iPhone display yet. Experience unparalleled. Experience unprecedented performance with the A13 iconic gaming, augmented reality, and photography. And get all the better life and the new level of water resistance. All on the first iPhone 5.1 Pro. So specs are here, you guys know what they are. 5.8-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. Water resistance up to 4 meters for 30 minutes, 9.68 minutes for that. Super camera system, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and telephoto cameras, night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video up to 60 frames per second. We also have a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with portrait mode, 4K video, and the same there. Face ID for secure authentication and Apple detecting iconic chip for character generation engine. Fast charger 18-watt adapter included. So the 18-watt fast charger adapter is included with the iPhone 11 Pro. Wireless charging and iOS 13 dock mode. View tools for editing photos and video and playing with closer features. Per cameras per display per performance is mastered camera angles and obsessing over detail. 4 new textures and limited glass lenses. 5.8-inch and 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display and the toughest glass in a smartphone. 2 cameras that feel like one. There you have it, ultra wide and a telephoto camera there on the back. The highest quality video on the smartphone. Shoot 4K video with extended dynamic 60 frames per second. Capture 4 times per second and edit with new tools like rotate, crop, and filters. Just like night mode tools with high-tech meets low light. From dimming lit restaurants to sunsets and views. The new night mode delivers natural light shots automatically. Lots more power, lots more battery life. Get up to 5 more hours of battery life with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, or up to 4 hours with iPhone 11 Pro. Fast charging for the 18-watt adapter and A13 ionic neutral engine. The fastest chip in the smartphone. Privacy is built in. Face ID is the most secure facial authentication in a smartphone. It doesn't store or save a photo, and it's more secure than touch ID. Also get Apple TV Plus included for 1 year. When you bring an iPhone, of course, watching broken shows and movies on the Apple TV app. Coming November 1st. AirPods, of course, AirPods deliver with unparalleled listening time and sound quality, voice activated serial access, and wireless charging case. You also have Apple Plus, one-stop support from Apple. Experts, Apple Plus provides extended warranty. Apple Plus provides extended repair coverage and 24/7 right order support from the people that knows iPhone best. Pro you have limited service for the iPhone. I look pretty good at Amazon and get your accessories there. And y'all guys can compare them. Three iPhones that side by side by color and specs and stuff like that. Screen sizes, batteries and stuff like that. Check it out. So they got something iPhone 11 Pro and a little bit extra wireless. Another business is just focused by iPhone 11 Pro. I'm not sure if it's going to offer any more storage options to the iPhone 11 Pro. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys have helped me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.